Ever felt like your calendar is a living, breathing entity that's actively conspiring against you? Like it's mocking you with its endless, overlapping appointments and the constant, "Where did that time go?" dread? You're trying to book a massage, a consultation, maybe even just a simple haircut, and it's a back-and-forth email marathon, a phone tag nightmare, and then, poof, the slot's gone. Sound familiar? Or maybe you're on the other side of the equation. You're the service provider. You're juggling clients, trying to keep track of appointments, desperately avoiding double bookings, and spending what feels like half your day just responding to booking inquiries. You're drowning in admin, and deep down that there's got to be a better way. A way to reclaim your time, your sanity, and your client satisfaction. Well, guess what? There is. And it's probably sitting in front of you, or at least you've heard about it. It's Acuity Scheduling. And today we're diving into the absolute basics. Because if you can't even log in, how are you ever going to unlock the power of automated scheduling? So let's cut to the chase. You're here because you need to know, how do I log into Acuity Scheduling? Now, before we jump into the click here, type that stuff, let's frame this a little. Acuity isn't just a calendar. It's a full-fledged appointment scheduling powerhouse. It's designed to streamline your booking process, reduce no-shows, and ultimately, free up your time so you can focus on what you do best. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or part of a larger team, Acuity can be a game changer. But, like any tool, it's only useful if you can actually get into it. So, first things first, you need an Acuity account. If you're brand new to Acuity and haven't signed up yet, you'll need to do that. There are various plans available, from free trials to paid subscriptions, depending on your needs. Head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. You'll see a Sign Up or Get Started button, usually prominently displayed. Follow the prompts, enter your information, and choose the plan that suits you best. This is your foundation. Without an account, there's nothing to log into. Okay, let's assume you've got your account set up. Now, for the login process itself, there are a few different ways you can access Acuity, and we'll cover the most common ones. The most straightforward way is through the Acuity Scheduling website. Open your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you prefer. Type acuityscheduling.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll be taken to the Acuity homepage. Look for the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You'll then be presented with the login screen. Here's where you'll need your credentials. You should have received these when you signed up. Enter the email address you used to create your Acuity account. This is your username. Double-check that you've typed it correctly. A simple typo can prevent you from logging in. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure you're using the correct capitalization. If you're unsure, try typing it into a separate document first to verify it. Then copy and paste it into the password field. This can help prevent errors. Now, here's a crucial point. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. There's a Forgot Password link right below the password field. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Acuity will then send you a password reset link to that email. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Make sure it's a strong, secure password that you'll remember. Consider using a password manager to store your login credentials securely. Once you've entered your email and password correctly, click the Login button. You should be taken to your Acuity dashboard. Congratulations, you're in. But what if you're on the go? Acuity also offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. This is incredibly convenient for managing your appointments from your phone or tablet. Download the Acuity Scheduling app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. You'll be presented with the same login screen as on the website. Enter your email address and password, and tap the Login button. You'll have access to your Acuity account right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about some common login issues and how to troubleshoot them. If you're consistently unable to log in, here are a few things to check. First, verify that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from logging in. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Second, Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted data can interfere with the login process. Go to your browser settings and clear your browsing history, including cache and cookies. Third, try a different browser. If you're having trouble logging in with one browser, try another. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. Fourth, double-check your email address and password for typos. Even a single character error can prevent you from logging in. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your password. Fifth, make sure you're using the correct Acuity account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're using the credentials for the one you're trying to access. Sixth, if you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes have compatibility issues. Seventh, if you've tried all of these steps and you're still unable to log in, it's time to contact Acuity support. They have a dedicated support team that can help you troubleshoot login issues. You can find their contact information on the Acuity Scheduling website. And finally, a little tip. If you're frequently using Acuity on your computer, you can save your login credentials in your browser. This will allow you to log in automatically without having to enter your email and password every time. However, be cautious about saving your credentials on public computers or shared devices. So there you have it. Logging into Acuity Scheduling is a simple process, but it's essential for unlocking the power of automated scheduling. By following these steps and troubleshooting common issues, you'll be able to access your account and start streamlining your booking process in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.